Chamblee, today I have an awesome experiment, which is one of my favorite experiments to do while we're at school. And always remember, before you even attempt an experiment, get your parents' permission, please. Alright? So, the materials I'm using mason jars. You need water. I have some here. And something to tap your jars with. Now, this experiment requires also some food coloring, which I have right here, and you'll see why in a moment. Now, something really cool. And when you fill a glass with water, it changes the pitch. So if you put more water in, it has a different sound. And if you have the least amount of water, it makes a different sound. So we're going to figure out and see what you think. So right now I'm going to ask a question. Do you think the jar filled up the most will be high or low? Again, do you think the jar that's filled up the most will be highest or lowest? We'll figure that out. I'll ask you that again at the end. Okay, so let's get the color so you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to use some red food coloring for this one. Kind of like a rainbow. Do a drop there. Then we're going to have yellow for this one. Now, we're going to do some mixing to combine. So we know if we put red and yellow together, that will give us a nice orange. There we go. And if we do yellow and blue together, that's going to give us a nice green color. And then if we mix our last one, red and our blue, we're going to get a nice purple. So we can tell the amount. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I love watching them change. Try not to get any on my fingers. Oh, I did a good job without doing that. Cool. Transforming and swirling. Let's just give it a good twirl. Pretty red. I might need to put a little more in there. We got a nice orange. Beautiful. We got yellow. I don't know if I'm tapping, you know, if you hear anything. We have green. We have our blue. And then our purple. Looks more black, but it'll do. We're going to start experimenting with our sound. Now, we have our red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now, you do see that the red has the most water. Then it gradually decreases the volume of water that is in each glass. So let's think, what do we think is going to happen? Do we think it's going to go low to high or high to low? Let's see. Now remember when I told you the longer the tube is, the longer or the bigger the tube, the lower the sound is. So it kind of works the same way with water. The more water, it's going to do something, and the smaller amount of water, it's going to do something too. So let's just listen here. Alright, that was really cool. So you heard, in the beginning I asked you, is this one lower or higher? Or this one lower or higher? Let's test it out and take a listen again. What do you think? Yeah. I agree. I think this red one is lower than this purple one. And that is all because there is more water taking up space in this glass. And this one has the smaller or least amount of water, which causes the pitch to be higher. Kind of like when we did our straw activity. The shorter it was, the higher it went. And the longer it was, the lower it went. That's what I love about music and sound, that all these cool scientific things go into it. All right. I hope that you get a chance to maybe try your own experiment. It doesn't have to be this. You can test out different things. I have a spoon, and I think it's going to make it sound much, much better. Let's see here. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. I miss you all. And remember, keep singing and making music and do what makes you happy. All right. See ya.